Hello viewers, welcome back to Iha Designs. Ihada in-house production A-line top front gathers designer A-line top in the collection. First color I wear violet tone. It's gorgeous side yoke pattern. Handwork is special Banarasi yoke attached sleeve lines. So this is festive special, no? Onam related special because Onam functions, get-togethers, gatherings, so that's semi-party wear look pattern. Price is wow price launch. First color gorgeous violet. Dupatta Georgette, Fox Georgette Dupatta purchase not mention dupatta needed contact. So dupatta price separate payment. Right now we chop launch this chop dupatta needed not mention chop and dupatta purchase dupatta same color dupatta price chop only price violet color 20 days dispatching. Next color jet black tone, beautiful black. Banarasi brocade pattern. It's not gold, but this color zari color change. Black is suitable zari add with neckline handwork. Handwork center gathers. Back normal A-line cut creation in house fittings guarantee off-white tone off-white. This is Onam color office function after Onam we stylish top. So Onam use party wear top. We function with dupatta accessories miss try one peacock green. Peacock green plus central gathers 49 plus 50 length in the top. This one color good in the closer shot. Coffee. Dark coffee brown tone. Back normal A-line cut. Nalla concept in-house 20 working days in dispatching. Try